का श्लोकाः वक्तुम् इच्छति? सिद्धा अस्ति? वालंटियर्स? सुजिता भगिनी भवती पठति वा? श्लोकः वदति वा?
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो
महेश्वरः
गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
उत्तम भगिनी। कोऽपि गीताश्लोकं वदति वा?
कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन कर्मफलत्याग I forget.
कर्मफलहेतुर्भूः मा ते संगोऽस्त्व कर्मणि।
धन्यवाद श्रीलता भगिनी।
एकवारं पुनः वदतु श्रीलता भगिनी या सुजिता भगिनी।
श्रीलता भगिनी प्लीज।
कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफलहेतुर्भूः मा ते संगोऽस्त्व कर्मणि।
बहु उत्तमं। Very, very important. Every shloka in Bhagavad Gita is important. That's nothing like that. But this is very, very important for us. Astu sarvebhyah swagatam. Gate varhe vayam kim ज्ञातवन्तः? कोऽपि वदतु।
We did Karma Padam, right? You guys did. I just went through the videos.
अस्तु कर्मपदं कर्मपदम् इत्युक्ते किम्? कर्मपदस्य विभक्ति का?
द्वितीया विभक्ति।
द्वितीया विभक्त्यौ अविभक्त्यां भवति कर्मपदम्। सो कर्मपदं सो कर्तृपदं वाक्ये किं पदानि सन्ति? कर्तृपदं, कर्मपदं, क्रियापदं। कर्तृपदं कर्ता यः कार्यं करोति कर्ता कर्मपदं सारी कर्तृपदं। द क्रिया द एक्शन क्रियापदं where the action is done that is कर्तृपदं। so कर्ता कर्तृपदं प्रथमा विभक्त्यां भवति। क्रियापदं कर्तरि प्रयोगवाक्ये सदा कर्तृपदम् अनुसरति। The kriya padam always follow the karta, kartrupadam in kartari prayogam, active voice. Okay. So if it is karta is in bahuvachane, kriya padam api bahuvachane bhavati. Karta in madhyam purusha or uttam purusha, kriya padam api tateva. Karta namapadam ramapadasya purushah nasti, but whether if you are using Yushma Sabda, Asma Sabda, so accordingly, Kriya Padam also will be no change. Asti. Samyak. Gate varge vayam Pullinga, Strilinga, Karma Padam Patitavantah. मम पटलं दृश्यते वा? मम ध्वनि सम्यक् श्रूयते वा? Can you hear me clearly?
आं महोदय।
धन्यवादः। प्रार्थना श्लोक ध्रुवा भगिनी भवती पठति वा?
रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः।
उत्तमं गीतं
One of my favorite shlokas. So yeah,
अर्थं जानाति वा?
these are the different names by which Lord Rama has been addressed. So by his father, mother, the Pandits, the people of Mithila, Sita Pate. So different ways in which, and that Lord Rama I bow down to.
Yes, correct.
Pataye Namaha.
Pataye. Sitayaः Pataye Namah. Sitayaः Pataye. Why husband of Sita? Pataye.
Sita.
Sitayaः Pataye Namah. So Ramaya. So everything is in Chaturthi Vibhakti. So when we say Namaha, Namaha always joins with Chaturthi Vibhakti. Whether it is Ekavachanam or Bahuvachanam, it's always joined with Visheshivaya Namah, Krishnaya Namah, Sita. Sitayai Namaha, like this we say it, right? So Ramaya, so to Ramabhadraya, Ramachandraya, Vedase ityukte, so Vedase ityukte Veda. So
the one who is the knower of the Vedas.
Knower of the Veda, supreme, one who is mentioned in the Veda as a supreme Lord, also we can say. Raghunathaya, so Raghuvamsham, Ramasya Vamsham, Kim Raghuvamsham. So Raghuvamsasya Shrestha Ramah. There are many kings in Raghuvamsham. Among them, Teshu Ramaha Shrestha Raghunathaya, Raghuvamsasya Natha. And Nathaya itukte, he is the Natha of the Nathaya means he is the Lord of the citizens. And Sitayah Pataye Namaha, husband of Sita. Sitayah, so Sitayah Pataye Namaha. So Pataye also Pati, Hari Shabdaha, Pati Pataye. Haraye we say. Haraye Namaha we say, Pataye Namaha. Bhagavatam Bani. Etapi padatu.
Oh, मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगैः जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Bhagavatam,
Oh, beautiful.
Artham janati va? Manojavam.
Yes, the one who is at the speed of the wind, that Maruta, who can be compared to the Maruta, Tulya Vegai, the speed and the velocity of the wind. Jitendriyam, one who has control over his senses. Buddhimatam, intelligent, the best. Varishtham, Vatatmajam, son of the Vayu. Vanara Yutha Mukyam, who is the chief of the Vanaras. That Duta of Lord Rama, I pray to you or surrender to you. The board that you see, I teach this. That's why.
Oh, okay, nice. Very good. Yes. So Manojavam. So also how our mind, swiftly changes. Sitting here, we can live in America, we can live in India, we can live in anywhere. So how the mind quickly jumps. So it's a Manojavams like that. Maruta is a wind, as you said, Tulya Vegam, equal to the speed of the wind. Jita Indriyam, one who is master or controller of his, all the senses. Buddhimatam Varishtam. So he's intelligent and the best. Vatadmanam, Vayoho Putraha, Hanuman. So Vanara, Yuta is a group of the Vanaras. Mukyam is the head or chief. Sri Rama Dhutam. So he is the messenger of Rama. That Rama Dhutam, that Sharanam Prabhati. I surrender to that Lord. Astu Bahutam. Dhanyal Baini. Astu. Sridhata Baini Bhavati Patitiva.
प्रथमे नार्जिता विद्या, द्वितीये नार्जितं धनं, तृतीये नार्जितं पुण्यं, चतुर्थे किं करिष्यति?
कोऽपि पूर्वं ज्ञातवन्तः पठितवन्तः एतत्
न महोदय.
why I picked last week, you remember I was telling this Arjita, Arjati, Arja, so Arjanti. So acquiring or obtaining. So Pratame na Arjita Vidya, Ditiye na Arjitam Dhanam, Tritiye na Arjitam Punyam. So in our life, the first initial period, if we don't acquire the required knowledge, education, and in the second part of our life, if you don't acquire the required amount of money, and then third part of life, we don't, it's not that we, every time we have to do good things only, but we have to acquire and accumulate punyas, good deeds. If we don't do all these things in first, second, and third, fourth, at the end of our life, what we will do? Chaturthe kim karishyati. What we will do if we don't get the proper knowledge and the wealth and then the good deeds and punya. If you don't do all these things, the previous three parts of life, fourth part, there is no use.
जीवनस्य प्रथमे भागे भवता विद्या न सम्पादिता, द्वितीये भागे धनं न सम्पादितं, तृतीये भागे पुण्यं न सम्पादितम्, एवं चेत् चतुर्थे भागे किं वा करिष्यति?
किं वा करिष्यति? So जीवनस्य प्रथमे भागे भवता na vidya na sampaditam. The education is not acquired by you in the first part. Ditiye bhage dhanam na sampaditam, and the tritiye bhage punya na sampaditam. Evam chet. If it's like that, chaturthe bhage kim va karishyati. What is the use? So that's the meaning of this bhashya. Astu. Samyak. So adhyatana pataha punaravaloknam. So karma padam padasya vishye vayam patitavantah gate varge pullinga strilinga eka bahuvachane adya napumsakalingam patamaha patishyamaha. But napumsaka, it's the same like pullinga only, so it's not a much difference. It's a spelling mistake. Then vibhaktihi parichayah. So we already started pratama vibhakti, kartru padam, karma padam is ditya vibhakti. So vibhaktihi vibhaktiyayah parichayah kurmah. So karma padam pullinga ekavachanam bahuvachanam. So vakya nirmanam katham bhavati? Karta kartrupadam kriyapadam. So balakaha karta, pustakam karma padam, kriyapadam patati. So patati kriyapadam, balakaha karta, balakaha patati, kim patati, pustakam patati. So karta kriyapadam dvayoha madhye sambandhah ka kriyapadam karta manusarati kartari prayoge. So balika aharam khadati, tatra balika karta aharam karma and khadati kriya. Kriya action, dhatu hasti tatra khadati, khad dhatu, pibati, pa dhatu, likhati, likh, patati, pat. Karta, यह का क्रिया करोति सह कर्ता बालकः बालिका एषः सा इत्यादि. कर्म, यह one who is the action is done on someone or some recipient of that action is karma. So aharam, jalam, abhyasam, pustakam ityadi. So object thing on which kriya is performed. So pullinga shabdaha. So Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha. Karta, Pratama Vibhaktyam Bhavati. Ditya Vibhaktyam, Ramam, Ramo, Raman. So Ditya Vibhaktyam, Ramam, Ekavachane, Divachane, Ramo, Raman, Bahuvachane. So Karma Padam. Ikaranta Pullinga Shabdaha. Harihi, Hari, Harayaha. Harim, Hari, Harine. Ukaranta Pullinga Shabdaha. Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha. Gurum, Guru, Guru. स्त्रीलिङ्गे कविता कविताः कवितां कविताः वीणां वीणाः रोटिकां रोटिकाः आकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्गपदम् ईकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्गपदं कूपीं कूपीः अङ्कनीम् अङ्कनीः रङ्गवल्लीं रङ्गवल्लीः अद्य नपुंसकलिङ्गे एकवचनं बहुवचनं पश्यामः अस्तु अपर्णा भगिनी भवती पठति वा अन्म्यूट् कृत्वा पठतु
ओके एकवचनं फलं बहुवचनं फलानि मन्दिरं मन्दिराणि पुस्तकं पुस्तकानि विमानं विमानानि नेत्रं नेत्राणि वस्त्रं वस्त्राणि मित्रं विज्ञानं यन्त्रं मित्राणि विज्ञानानि यन्त्राणि गृहं गृहाणि
गृहं गृहाणि
नपुंसकलिङ्गे एकवचने बहुवचने कर्मपदानि
सो नपुंसकलिङ्गे एकवचनं बहुवचनं समानरूपमिव फलं फले फलानि फलं फले फलानि so based on the vakyam you have to find if it is a pullinga padam or strilinga padam it's easier but based on the sentence the vakyam you have to identify whether the phalam is in prathama vibhakti or dvitiya vibhakti so that will learn that so phalam phalani phalam phale phalani mandiram mandire mandirani युतकं युतकानि विमान विमानानि सम्यक् पठतु
नपुंसकलिङ्ग एकवचने बहुवचने कर्मपदम् एकवचनं व्यजनं बहुवचनं व्यजनानि व्यजनानि शरीरं शरीराणि द्वारं द्वाराणि मन्त्रं मन्त्राणि भवनं पत्रं पत्राणि भवनं भवनानि भवनानि सास्यं सास्यानि
सस्यानि
सस्यं सस्यानि पर्णं पर्णानि शास्त्रं शास्त्राणि पुष्पं पुष्पाणि फलकं फलकानि वाक्यं वाक्यानि वाक्यानि दर्शनं दर्शनानि सुखं सुखानि शुभं शुभानि वित्तं वित्तानि
वित्तं वित्तानि अस्तु एका परीक्षा नत्व नियमाः स्मरन्ति वा अपर्णा भगिनी शरीरं शरीराणि किमर्थं तत्र नकारः भवति फलकानि किमर्थं तत्र नत्व न भवति नकार न वदतु किमर्थं तत्र नकारः भवति
र रेपः र
सम्यक्
शरीर शरीर
ऋकारः रेपः ते के तानि कानि निमित्तानि निमित्तं निमित्तं प्रथम किं करणीयं निमित्तम् अस्ति वा शब्दे तत्र रकारः अस्ति निमित्तम् अस्ति अनन्तरं
फलकानि निमित्तं नास्ति
निमित्तं नास्ति फलकं फलकानि निमित्तं नास्ति ओके सो पर्णं पर्णानि पर्णं तत्र रेपः अस्ति रकारः रेपः अस्ति किमर्थं न भवति णत्वं न भवति किमर्थं विस्मृतवती वा चिन्ता मास्तु अन्य कोऽपि सुचिता भगिनी
So for Parnani the ending is na actually it is parna so rafar plus na so therefore it is ni.
No, see my question is Why this is parna? Why this talavya nakara asti tatra? Why not murdhanya nakara? See,
tavargamasti.
you see this shastrani, there is an ending with murdhanya nakara. Why not here?
Yes.
Pavarga.
So Shastra, okay, yeah. So the and ra is the ending, right? That's why the ending is ra, whereas Parnani ra and na is the ending. So therefore, I thought that was the thing.
Whenever there is tavargam, the repa, the nimittam is blocked there.
Yeah, you're almost there. See, first what we have to do?
Whether
Nimittam
there is
asti va nasti va.
asti.
So parnam asti, parnani. So nimittam asti. Okay, nimittam. Then nakarah asti. Nimittam nakarah madhye kopi varnaah santi va. Kepi varnaah santi va. Or kopi varnaah asti va. Is there a word, letter between the repah or nimittam? So repa, so pa ir nimittam asti, ni asti, na asti, madhye na asti. So there's a letter is there in between nimittam and na. Okay, then now we have to see that word, the letter is vyavadhayaka varnaha va avyavadhayaka varnaha. That we have to remember. That is a rule. So what is vyavadhayaka varnaha? What is avyavadhayaka varnaha? Vyavadhayaka varnaha is the one which curtails, stops, prohibits the change. Avyavadhayaka will not do that. So vyavadhayaka, what are vyavadhayaka varnaha? Cha vargaha, tha vargaha, and then ta vargaha, and then shasa la. What are the avyavadhayaka varnaha? Swaraha, all the vowels. Kha varga, pa varga, and hayava. So these are avyavadhayaka. Now you see, pa repaha nimittam asti, ante na asti, madhye kim asti, madhye nakar na bhavati, na vargaha kaha,
Tavarga.
ta vargaha, ta ta da da na. So ta vargaha, vyavadhayakaha, varnaha, vargaha, na varga, na is vyavadhayaka. So that's why the nakara is not changing. Now you see the next one, shastrani. So sha is it ir ni. Madhye kopi varnaha nasti. So nimittam asti varnaha kopi nasti. So immediately it will automatically changes. Okay. Now we see darshanam, darshanani. So ir asti, repah asti, sha asti, na asti, ni asti. Why it is not changing? Because sha is vyavadhayaka varnaha. So that's why the na is not changing. Okay. So please remember nimittam vyavadhayaka va avyavadhayaka va. So Kshamyatam, Aparamani, you completed, right? This.
Yeah.
Okay. What are the
कर्मपदानि नपुंसकलिङ्गं शब्दाः एकवचने बहुवचने सा फलं खादति सा फलानि खादति पुरुषः मन्दिरं गच्छति पुरुषः मन्दिराणि गच्छति सः पुस्तकं धारयति युतकं सः युतकं धारयति सः युतकानि धारयति
shirt
dharayati. He wears a shirt.
इदानीम् अहं वयं त्वं यूयं कर्तृपदं स्वीकृत्वा कर्तानुसार क्रियापदस्य परिवर्तन कथं भवति. It's asking a question. कर्तानुसार क्रिया. Okay. वाक्ये कर्तानुसार
अवगच्छति वा? अवगच्छति कर्तानुसार क्रियापदस्य परिवर्तनं कथं भवति? अवगच्छति वा? So the task is idanim now.
This is
So we
changing.
all see these are prathama purusha. So sa phalam khadati gacchati dharayati. Now idanim, you have to put aham atra.
Mm.
You replace sa with aham. What you tell the sentence? What it will be?
Aham phalam kadami.
So kartanusara kriyapadasya parivartanam katham bhavati? So if I put aham phalam khadami. Vayam phalam
Khadat
khadami, khadavaha,
kadamaha.
So tam phalam
Tvam kadasi.
Kadasi. Yuyam phalam
Kadat.
Khadatha. So vakye kartanusara karma padasya parivartanam bhavati va na bhavati va? Na bhavati. Karma padasya parivartanam na bhavati kartanusaram. Kriyapadasya parivartanam bhavati kartanusaram. Karma padasya parivartanam na bhavati. Whether you put aham, it will be phalam only. Vayam phalam phalani only. Tam mandiram only. Yuyam mandiram only. That will not karma padam, those are read, that will not change if we change the karta. Is it clear? Spashtam va? Astu. Dhanyavad bhayini. Dhruva bhayini bhavati paditi va? Napumsakalinga karma padasya abhyasah.
नपुंसकलिंग कर्मपदस्य अभ्यासः कविः काव्यं रचयति.
So bracket is given, you have to find, it's very easy, not like other two. So you have to make the word in the bracket in Ditya Vibhakti, Karma Padam, Napusakalingam, Ekavachanam and Bahuvachanam. So Kavihi Kavyam Rachayati. Bahuvachane?
Of kavyam or rachayati, right?
Kavyam.
Bahuvachanam of kavyam, is it? Sorry.
Phalam phale phalani, phalam phale phalani.
Phalam phale phalani. So kavyani.
Kavihi kavyani
rachayati. Kavihi kavyani rachayati. Okay. बालकः जलं पिबति. बालकः जलानि पिबति.
So jalam, this is a
jalam.
Ekavachane balakah jalam pibati, balakah jalani pibati.
छात्राः पुस्तकं पठति. छात्रः पुस्तकं पठति. छात्रः पुस्तकानि पठति.
सम्यक्.
सौचिकः वस्त्रं सीव्यति. Sorry. सौचिकः वस्त्राणि सीव्यति.
बहु उत्तमम्. धन्यवादः भगिनी. श्रीलता भगिनी.
मर्कटः फलं खादति. मर्कटः फलानि खादति. गायकः गीतं गायति. गायकः गीतानि गायति. महिला शाकं कर्तयति. महिला शाकानि कर्तयति. वाहनचालकः वाहनं चालयति. वाहनचालकः वाहनानि चालयति.
अस्तु, धन्यवादः भगिनी. सुचिता भगिनी.
कृषकः क्षेत्रं कर्षति. कृषकः क्षेत्राणि कर्षति. क्षेत्राणि कर्षति. चित्रकारः चित्रं रचयति. चित्रकारः चित्राणि रचयति. एषा कार्यं करोति. एषा कार्याणि करोति.
अस्तु सम्यक्. सो विभक्तिः परिचयः कुर्मः. विभक्त्याः आवश्यकी का. सो विभक्तिः वस्तुनिर्देशः. It indicates a word, नाम, thing, वस्तु अथवा स्थानं. बालकः बालिका इति नामपदमस्ति. फलं लेखनी वस्तु अस्ति. बेङ्गलूरु प्लेस्. सो वस्तु निर्देशः. विभक्तिः किमर्थं? विभक्तिः वस्तु निर्देशं करोति. विभक्तिः प्रयोगः. विभक्तेः त्रिविधाः प्रयोगः. There are three uses of vibhakti. कारकाः, relationship with kriya, all but shashti, except shashti vibhakti. So we know, okay, nama padam. So there are padam, padadvayam asti. Nama padam, kriya padam. Nama padasya gunaha के लिंगः
लिंगा विभक्ति वचनं विभक्ति.
लिंगा विभक्ति वचनं. सो क्रियापदस्य गुणाः के?
वचनं
पुरुषः
वचन
लकारः टेन्स्. ओके, लकारः पुरुषः वचनं. नामपदस्य गुणाः वचनं लिंगं विभक्ति. Okay, so we are now talking about vibhakti. You are learning about vibhakti. So vibhakteः त्रिविधाः प्रयोगः. प्रथम प्रयोगः कारकः, relationship with kriya. What is the relationship with kriya for the what you call the karta? Okay, sambandha, relationship with another word, shashti only. Upapada vibhaktihi, due to presence of some other special words. All but pratama, except pratama vibhakti, that will be joining with other vibhakti. So total kati vibhaktayah santi, sapta vibhaktayah santi. Adhikam sambodhana. Sambodhana is another form of pratama vibhakti only. So it is not counted as vibhakti, but sapta vibhaktayah santi. Prati vibhakteः त्रीणि वचनानि सन्ति. एकवचनं, द्विवचनं, बहुवचनं. So 7 into 3 एकविंशतिः विभक्तयः सन्ति, रूपाणि सन्ति. Please stop me wherever you have doubt or you not understood if I confused you. Okay. So कारकाः, सम्बन्धः, उपपद विभक्ति. So we'll see what is कारकं. विभक्तिः किमर्थं कारकं? क्रियया सह सम्बन्धः, relationship to the kriya padam. So Ramam pashyami, Ramaya dadhami, Ramat svikromi. Etasmin eteshu vakyeshu pashyami, dadami, svikromi kriya padani santi. So what is the kriya padani? Pashyami, kim pashyami, kam pashyami, Ramam pashyami. So there is a relationship. I see Rama. There is a relationship with the karma padam or kartru padam. Okay, so relationship. Pashyami, kim pashyami, Ram, kam pashyami, dadami, kasmi dadami, whom I will give, Ramaya. Svikromi, from where, from whom I will receive, Ramat svikromi. So the kriya padam always have a relationship with the other, which is either the karma padam or kartru. Okay. So please see this picture. So kriya padam, karta, karma, karanam, sampradanam, apadanam, adhikaranam. Karta. Karta kaha, yaha karyam karoti, yaha kriya karoti, saha karta. The person who is doing the action is the karta. What is karma? The person who is receiving that or recipient of that action. Action is done on somebody or something. That is karma padam. What is karanam? So to do the action on something or someone, we need some instrument, tool. So that is karanam. Sampradhanam. So we are here is we are giving to someone. We are it's like a dana kriya. We are giving to someone. We are like pustakam dadami. So there's dadami is we are giving to someone. Apadana. Apadana is the separation from something. Adhikaranam. Adhikaranam is the location where the kriya is happening. Okay. So karta, subject of action. Karma, object of action. What? Karanam, instrument of action. Sampradhanam, recipient of action. Apadhanam, point of separation or source of action. Adhikaranam, location of action. So this is nothing but karta, prathama vibhakti. Karma, ditiya vibhakti. Karanam, tritiya vibhakti. Sampradhanam, chaturthi vibhakti. Apadhanam, panchami vibhakti. Adhikaranam, saptami vibhakti. Shashti vibhakti karake nasti. So pratama, ditiya, tritiya, chaturthi, panchami, and saptami. So there are six sambandha. Shad sambandha santi with the kriya. So that is karakam. So these six are the karakam. Who, what, with what, for whom, from where, and when and where. These are karakam. So kriyaya sahas sambandha. Is that clear? Any confusion?
What is sampradhanam?
Sampradhanam. This is a recipient of action. You give something to me. So I am the recipient. So that is sampradhanam. Apadhanam is you are taking from me.
Okay.
Ramat swikaromi. So from Rama, phalam vrikshat patati. It is separating from the tree. So that is apadhanam. Giving is sampradhanam. Udaharanam pashyamaha, then you will get more clarity. Okay, so adaha dattanam koshtake shad vibhaktayah santi. Te karakaha santi. So pratama vibhakti karta doer, ditiya karma object, tritiya karanam instrument, chaturthi sampradhanam receiver, panchami apadhanam source and separation, saptami adhikaranam location. So sloka asti karta karma cha karanam sampradhanam tataiva cha apadhanadhikaranam ityahu karakani shat. Okay, so just if you remember this, very simple. Karta karma cha karanam sampradhanam tataiva cha apadhanadhikaranam iti ahu karakani shat. 6 karakani. Karta, karma, karanam, sampradhanam, apadhanam, adhikaranam. Okay, we'll see one example. So this is the udaharanam. Okay, dhyanena kripaya pashyatu. So dadati gives, kriya padam asti madhye, dadati gives. Raja, kaha dadati, who is giving? Raja dadati. So karta, Raja is the karta of the karta, the action, the doer of the action, kriya padam. Dadati kriya padasya karta Raja. Raja dadati. So if I say dadati, will that make a sentence? No. It's just dadati means you don't know. What you'll ask? Okay, who is giving? Raja dadati. Raja dadati makes a sentence. It's a sense. That makes a sense. So Raja dadati, one sentence. It makes a sentence. So Raja, karta and kriya. So that makes a sentence. Raja, kim dadati, kam dadati, kam dadati. What is he giving? Next question. Raja dhenum dadati. So he gives a cow. Okay. How he gives a cow? Raja dhenum hastena dadati. Statra karanam asti. Instrument. He is using his hand to give a cow. So Raja dhenum hastena dadati. Kim kasme dadati. To whom he is giving? Somebody, if I am giving, somebody should be receiving, right? So Raja dhenum hastena vipraya dadati. Brahmanaya dadati. He is giving to a Brahmin. Raja gives a cow by his hand or with his hand to a Brahmin. Okay, where the cow is coming from where he has to separate the cow from some place. Goshtat, there is a shed, cow shed. So Raja dhenum hastena vipraya goshtat dadati. from the shed. So, okay, where there should be a place where he gives the cow to the Brahmin. That is Ganga Tire, on the river bank of Ganga. So, on the river Ganga's bank or on the river bank of Ganga. So, Ganga Tire. So, Raja Dhenum Astena Vipraya Goshtate Ganga Tire Dadati. So, where we used all the Shat Karakani. Okay, Raja. Which country's Raja? He is Ayodhya's Raja. Ayodhyayaha Raja. Whether you write Ayodhya or not, the Ayodhya the word Ayodhya is nowhere related to Dadati. The Kriyapadam Dadati will not impacted whether the king is from Ayodhya or from Astinapuram or from some other country. It doesn't impact or having an influence on the verb Kriyapadam. That's why Ayodhyayaha is the Shashti Vibhakti. So Shashti Vibhakti is not Karakam. All the other 6 Vibhaktis are Karakam to Kriyapadam. So Ayodhya is Sambandha, is relation to Raja only. So Ayodhyayaha Raja, Astinapurasya Raja. So that is not having any impact with Dadati Kriyapadam. So Kriyapadasya Karakani Kani Raja Dhenum Astena Vipraya Goshtat Ganga Tire. Karta, Karma, Karanam, Sampradanam, Apadanam, Adhikaranam. So these 6 are the Karakam. So the Kriyayayaha Saha Sambandha. So which are related to the Kriya, that is those are called Karakam. So Shashti Vibhakti is not related to Dadati or any Kriya Padam. So that is not a Karakam. Any question, any doubts? Is the DC clear?
No, in this case, it's like, first, second, third, but that can also change. It can't be in the same sequence. Like
Which one, Mahoday?
Here it is the king gives the cow whatever. It has all the vibhakti. But not necessarily it should be in the same sequence also. It can be, not every sentence will have all the 6.
No.
Not every.
Yeah.
No.
Will all
Not
sentences
required.
have all 6, right? No, no.
No,
See,
that
it's
is
not
okay.
necessary.
But what I'm
please,
what I'm asking is like here by hand, but it can be, for example, he is giving the hand or something like that, so it can be different also, isn't it?
No, don't go deep. This is just example. Example to explain the Karakam. What is what is the Kriya Padam? Kriya Padasya Sambandha Kaha iti. So this is example. It can be anything. You can put Adhyapakaha. Adhyapakaha Pustakam Dadati. Adhyapakaha Katam Pustakam Dadati. Astena Dadati. Adhyapakaha Pustakam Astena Kasmi Dadati. Chatraya Dadati. Kutra Dadati. From where? From Grantalayat Dadati. Kutra Dadati. Vidyalaye Dadati. So that is different. Not all the sentence should have all the 6 Karakam. It's not necessary. But there is a relationship between Kriya and the other 6 Vibhakti which are Karakams. It can have only one. See, Raja Dadati itself makes a sentence, meaningful sentence, correct? Raja Dadati. But if you ask me question, okay, Raja Dadati, okay, sentence is perfect. But does it give any information? No. It's incomplete information. What even Dhenum, he would have given Dhanam also. Raja Dhanam Dadati, Astena Dhanam Dadati. He gives money to Brahmin Vipraya, Dhanam Dadati. Or he is giving to Kavaye Haraye, Kavaye Dadati. He gives money to the poet. From where? From Vitta Koshat. He is a bank. Where he gives Rajya Sabhe. He gives in the in his cabinet. So this is an example to show how the karakams are, related to the kriyapadam. Astu. Any more questions? Any doubts? Please ask. Suchita Bhagini.
The the Shashti Vibhakti would be with everything like Raja Dhenu Hastena Vipraya Koshthat Ganga Tire Dadati. Correct? So when you said about Ayodhyaya, was that the Sambodhan? No, right? Because
No,
that
that is
would be
Shashti. That is
no,
Shashti Vibhakti.
Shashti only.
Yes,
Shashti
out of
only.
seven,
Okay.
Vibhakti, there are 7 Vibhakti, Sapta Vibhakti. Shashti. Out of 7,
Hmm.
Shashti is only related to Raja or any somebody
Okay.
place. So Janakasya Putraha Dhenum Dadati. There, Janakasya, whether it doesn't have any impact or any influence on the Kriya Padam. If I say
Correct.
Dadati, you will ask, okay, who is giving? So that is a relationship with Dadati. What he is giving? That is relation with Dadati. How he is giving? That is relation with Dadati. But Ayodhya's Raja is giving. Ayodhya Raja, it can be any Raja also. So that is not influencing or direct relationship with the Kriya Padam. So only 6
So it is
Vibhakti.
Shashti. Yeah, so it is Shashti Vibhakti, but just to make us understand, you said that that doesn't have anything to do with the Kriya Padam. Okay,
Correct.
thank
There
you.
is no direct relationship with the Kriya Padam. That's why it's not a Karakam. So if I ask you, Vakyam Kim, what is a sentence? Can you even you can say in English, what is a sentence? Anyone?
So it has, the sentence has a syntax with all noun, I mean the object, subject, and object, yeah. And then there is a
So
verb.
Karakan, I think there's a definition, I think written. Karakan Vita Kriya Vakyam. So Karakan Vita Kriya Vakyam is the Kriya is connected with all the Karakas is a Vakyam. So there should be a meaningful, the sentence become meaningful when the Kriya is connected with the other Karakas only. Okay, that is a Karakan Vita Kriya Vakyam. It's not just words or group of words. It's not a combination of words. There should be some relationship with the kriya, so that makes the word sentence meaningful. So we go to third one, anya padena saha sambandha. So relationship with other padani, so not related to kriya, but it's anya vibhakti. So vibhakti we already seen the other six vibhaktis which are karakas, and then anya padena saha sambandha with this relationship with the other padam. There we saw Raja. Raja is a padam, one of the padam in the sentence. With that padam, there is some relationship. That is Sashti Vibhakti. That is Vibhakti form. That is not Karakam. So Ramasya Patni, Sitayaha Putraha, Phalasya Varnaha, Nadyaha Jalam. So Shashti Vibhakti Anya Padena Saha Sambandha. Okay. So only Shashti Vibhakti. That is not having any direct relationship with the Kriya. The Karakam is whether a Padam is having relationship with Kriya, that is called Karakam. Shashti Vibhakti Shabdaha Karakam Nasti. So please don't confuse. Vibhakti, you are talking about Vibhakti and how Vibhakti are playing a role in a sentence. So when something has a direct relationship with Kriya, that is Karakam. So Shat Karakani Santi, because they are all directly related to the Kriya Padam, the action. But Shashti also a Vibhakti, but it is not having direct relation with the Kriya. So it is not a Karakam, but it is a Vibhakti. So relation with other Padani. Anya Padena Saha Sambandha. The previous one is Kriyaya Saha Sambandha. So Karakam. So we saw this one. There are 3 Karakaha Sambandha Upapada Vibhakti. So Karakaha is directly relation with Kriya. Sambandha is relation with other word. Upapada Vibhakti due to presence of special words. It is there in other Vibhakti except Pratama. We will see that one also. So upapada vibhakteha. So upapada vibhaktihi anya padasya abhyaya. Indicate the presence of a specific padam. We all know this. Sometimes the vibhakti is used in conjunction with another word. Generally, yeah, abhyaya. Abhyaya is it doesn't have any change. So it's called indeclinables. This use is called upapada. Upa means near, pada stays near a word, vibhakti. So vina, antara, paritaha, ubhayataha, abhitaha, sarvataha, prati, nikasha, dik. So these are all used in Ditya Vibhakti. So jnanam vina jivanam nasti. You can say jalam vina meenaha na jivati. Griham paritaha, surrounding. Paritaha means surrounding. The griham paritaha manamasti. Dushtan dik. This is like a how to say dushtan dik. We like a derogatory word, like scolding word. Shut up, like we say, shut up. Chi, we say chi, like that. So it's something like that. Saha, sardham, sakham, vina, alam. So vina is used in Ditya Vibhakti. Vina can be used in Tritiya Vibhakti. Vina can be used in Panchami Vibhakti also. Tritiya, Janakena saha putraha apanam gacchati. So the Upapada Vibhakti. So there Janakena saha is Upapada Vibhakti. Janakena is Tritiya Vibhakti. So this is having relationship with the Kriya Padam, that is Karakam. This is Saha is not Karakam. Saha is actually aiding Tritiya Vibhakti. So that is Upapada Vibhakti. Namaha, Swasti, Alam. These are all Chaturthi Vibhakti. So Ramaya Namaha. So Ramaya is Karakam. Namaha is aiding Ramaya. So Ramaya, Namaha is Ramaya. Words Upapada Vibhakti. Lakshmanyai Namaha. Lakshmanaha, Lakshmi. So Lakshmiyai Namaha. So Lakshmi is Karakam. Namaha is the Upapada Vibhakti for Lakshmi Shabda. Any confusion, any doubts? It's totally confusing.
Lot to learn and remember, Mahoday.
Yes, totally confusing.
Right now, no confusion because you are explaining, but once we start doing it on our own, it becomes very hard.
I think it
No, no,
requires a lot of abhyasam.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, see, anything again, I'm repeating telling. Anything we come to know for the first time, our mind will not absorb the full meaning or what it is. But as you go on, you will definitely get a hang of it. So again, just very simple form. What is Vibhakti? We know. So Nama Padam, Kriya Padam. Nama Padam, we have Vachanam is there, Lingam is there. We all know. We already learned that what is Lingam, Ramaha, Sita, and Phalam, all these things we learned about. Pullingam, Srilingam, Napusakam. We know the words. And then Vachanam we know, Eka Vachanam, Divachanam, Bahuvachanam. Now Vibhakti. What is Vibhakti? We already done Karma Padam, Ditya Vibhakti. What is Vibhakti? Now we are now understanding what is Vibhakti. So Vibhakti is, there are three uses of Vibhakti. So Vibhakti, why Vibhakti is required in a sentence? There are three uses of Vibhakti. What are those three uses? First is there's the Vibhakti, it links or makes a relationship with the verb. So what is making relationship with the verb? Called Karakam. So there are 6 Karakams. There are 7 Vibhaktis. Out of 7, there are 6 Vibhaktis are directly related to Kriya Padam. Without that, Kriya Padam will not make a proper meaning in the sentence. So all the 6 Vibhakti, all the 6 Karakams can exist in one sentence. It can be 5, it can be 4, it can be 3, it can be 2. But the Kriya Padam cannot stand alone and make a sentence. Okay. So there should be at least one Vibhakti, at least one Karakam should be there in the sentence to make it a meaningful sentence. So if I say Ramam Pashyami, there Aham is not required. Why? Because I say Pashyami. So if I say Aham Ramam Pashyami, both are same. Because the pashyami indicates Uttama Purusha. If I say Ramam Pashyasi, no need to say Tvam there. It is indirect actually. If you say Tvam Ramam Pashyasi or Ramam Pashyasi, if I say, both gives the same meaning. Why? Because the word Pashyasi, the Kriya Padam Pashyasi, we know that it is Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam. It's indicating you. If I say Ramam Pashyati, again it's Saha, but we don't know whether Sahava, Sava. It can be he is seeing Rama or she is seeing Rama. So there you need more clarity. So the Kriya Padam is there. So we need at least one Vibhakti to make a sentence, meaningful sentence. For that, the word that's joining with the Kriya Padam or directly related to the Kriya Padam is called Karakam. So out of 7 Vibhaktis, there are 6 Karakams, and the Shashti Vibhakti is a Sambandha, is not directly related to Kriya Padam. Okay, so that is also Vibhakti. That is number 2. Number 3, there are certain words which joins with these 7 Vibhaktis. Those words are called Upapada. Like assistant, you can say. They are assistants to the Vibhakti. 7 Vibhaktis. So we have different Upapada. So we are seeing one by one. So for Ditya Vibhakti, these are the Upapadam are used. For Tritiya Vibhakti, these when you see Saha. So let me go back. Now you will understand one thing. Now you see Kriyaya Saha Sambandha. Okay. There is a word Saha is used. This is Upapada. Now you tell Kriyaya which Vibhakti?
Shashti.
No. Saha is used with Tritiya Vibhakti.
Chaturthi.
No, Tritiya. So Saha is used with Tritiya. Whenever you see Saha, Ramena Saha Sita Vanam Gacchati. Ramena Saha Lakshmanaha Vanam Gacchati. So where that is, so where you see Saha, then you okay, immediately you can, okay, this is in Tritiya Vibhakti. So that's how now you know. So when I say Namaha, Ramaya Namaha, so the Namaha is always joined with which Vibhakti?
Chaturthi.
Chaturthi Vibhakti. So you don't need to think about what is Lakshmi Namaha, Ramaya Namaha, Krishnaya Namaha, Nadhyai Namaha, Gangaye Namaha. So when I say Namaha, the Namaha is a Upapada Vibhakti. It's not a, it doesn't change that. Namaha is not having any, for example, Vachanam, for example, no, that it doesn't have any singular plural. It will not change. If I say Ramaya Namaha, so Ramaya is Chaturthi Vibhakti Ekavachanam. For Rama, Chaturthi Vibhakti Bahuvachanam is Ramebhyaha. I will say Ramebhyaha Namaha only. The Namaha will not change because that's why it's called Abhyayam. Namaha will not have any Vachanam or any other changes. That's why it's called Abhyayam. Abhyayam is indeclinables. It will not change with Vachanam or Lingam or anything. I will say Lakshmi Namaha. Lakshmi is Srilinga Padam. Rama is Pullinga Padam. I will use only Namaha. That will not change. So Ramaya Namaha, Ramebhya Namaha. I change the Vachanam. Namaha will not change. Lakshmi Namaha. So Lakshmi Bhya Namaha, Nadi Bhya, Lakshmi Bhya Namaha. The Namaha will not change. So Upapada Vibhakti or Abhyayam, indeclinables, that will not change. So we saw Karakam is part of Vibhakti. 6 Vibhaktis are Karakam related to Kriya Padam. And the second one, Shashti Vibhakti. Shashti Vibhakti is also Vibhakti that is related to other word, other Padam, Anya Padam, not to Kriya Padam, other Anya Padam. Okay, second. Third, Upapada Vibhakti. They are nothing but assistant to all the 7 Vibhaktis. What are they? That are the examples we are now just learning. So Vina. So Jalam Vina Jivanam Nasti. So Jnanam Vina Jivanam Nasti. So Jnanam Tatra Ditya Vibhaktyam Asti. Griham Paritaha. Griham is Ditya Vibhakti. Griham Paritaha. Surrounding around the house Vanam Asti. So same way Janakena saha. So Janakena is Tritiya Vibhakti, Ekavachanam. Putraha apanam gacchati. So the son goes to the shop with his father. So Namaha, Ramaya Namaha, Lakshmi Namaha. Okay. Same way, next one. Bahihi, Param, Itaraha. So these are the Upapada Vibhaktiyaha used in different places with different vibhaktis. So these are the vibhaktis used with Panchami. So Grihat Bahihi Margaha Asti. Dhyanat Purvam Manaha Prakshubdham Bhavati. So before meditation, Dhyanat Purvam, before meditation, Manaha, our mind is Sanchalam. This is very wavering. When you do meditation, it is becoming calm and peaceful. So that's what it says. Yuddhat Param Dukkam Bhavati. After, Param Puram means before, Param means after. Yuddhat Param. After the war, what happens? Many soldiers would have died in both sides. So Dukkam Bhavati. Ramat Itaraha Rakshakaha Na. There are no protector than Rama. Itaraha Rakshakaha Na. No one is more than Rama who is protector. Same way, we have Purataha, Prishtataha, Antaha. So when you use these Upapada, you use Shashti Vibhakti. Grihasya Purataha. When you use Bahihi, you will use Panchami Vibhakti. Grihat Bahihi. Grihasya Purataha Margaha. Purataha is front. Prishtataha is back. Antaha is inside. Upari is up. Adaha is below. So this, as Srilata Bani said, you will, once you do the Abhyasam, when you use this word, you will automatically come to know. What you have to understand is, what is Vibhakti, what are the three uses of Vibhakti, and what are they? That's all. Now you don't need to by heart all of them. Now you know, if I already told Saha, whenever you see Saha, you know that Tritiya Vibhakti. Whenever you see Namaha, it's Chaturthi Vibhakti. Prashna Siva, Srilata Bani.
Mahadev, what did you say Purataha and Prushtataha were?
Purataha is front. Grihasya Purataha Margaha. In front of the house, there is a road. Grihasya Prishtataha Upavanam Asti. Backyard. In back side, there is a we can say garden. Grihasya Antaha Koshtam Asti, Koshtani Santi. So inside of the house. Grihasya Antaha Mama Mata Asti. So inside of house, my mother is there. So like that. Grihasa Upari, Antana Asti. Grihasa Adaha, Sampasti. You can say all these things. So Vrikshasya Adaha, Yatraha, Upashati, under the tree. So when you use Adaha, Upari, Antaha, then when you see the word, easily you can relate that it is Shashti Vibhakti. When you use Vishwasaha, Preetihi, Sadhuhu, Asadhuhu, these are in Saptami Vibhakti. Rame Mama Vishwasaha, Saha Matari Sadhuhu. So all these things. So all these Upapada Vibhakti, you will remember slowly by using it in a sentence. When you read the sentence, whenever we read the stories, we'll know. Okay, you don't get overwhelmed now. What you have to understand is what is Vibhakti, how it is, what is the importance of Vibhakti, how it is used in a sentence. So Vibhakti, there are three uses. One is direct relationship with the Kriya Padam. So there are 6 Vibhaktis, nothing but Karakam. That's one Vibhakti as relationship with other Vibhakti. That is called Shashti Vibhakti. Other one is Upapada Vibhakti, which is aiding or supporting or assisting the 7 Vibhaktis. These only you have to understand. These things, what are the Upapada Vibhakti, Purataha, Prishtataha, you will come to know as you go. Okay? Dhruva Bhayani.
So would you be able to explain the Vibhakti in the shlok from Ramaraksha, that is Ramo Rajamani Sada? They say that it has all the 7 Vibhaktis. Ramo Rajamani Sada Vijayate Ramam Ramesham Bhaje Ramena Vihata Nisha Charachamu Ramasya Dasosmyaham. it has all the vibhaktis, but
Ekam Ramo
Rajamani Sada
Rajamani Sada.
Vijayate. There is a shlo. Yeah.
This
That
is in
is
Marathi. Is in
English
Sanskrit?
also maybe. Yes, it's in Sanskrit. It's in Rama
Okay.
Raksha Stotram. Yeah.
Okay.
See. Yes, it's there, right? Shlokam.org, it has it. So all the vibhakti, they say, Prathama vibhakti of the Shabda Rama is
So
in
Ramo, I'll tell you. So Ramo Rajamanihi. So Ramo. Here it is as a Sandhi. Okay. So Ramaha Rajamanihi. Ramaha Prathama Vibhakti. Okay. Sada Vijayate Ramam Ramesham Bhaje. There this is Karma Padam. Ramam Ramesham. So it like only Ramam. It's Rama word. It's Ramam Ditya Vibhakti. Ramena Abhihata. Ramena. So there is in Tritya Vibhakti. Nishachara Chamu Ramaya. We saw that Ramaya, Ramabhadraya, Ramachandraya. We say Ramaya Chaturthi Vibhakti. Raman Nasti. Yes, Raman is Ramat. That's again Sandhi happened. So
okay, that's why it is Ramat. Okay,
yeah,
okay.
it is there is a Sandhi. When it's Ramat and this is starting with Na, then that Ta is Ta Varga is fifth Varna is Na. So it becomes Raman Nasti. So Ramat Nasti. Parayanam Parataram Ramasya. That's Sashti Vibhakti.
Sashti Vibhakti. Aham Dasaha of Rama.
Aham this is Dasosmi Aham. This is Dasaha Asmi Aham. Ramasya Dasaha Asmi Aham. I am the servant of Rama. Aham Ramasya Dasaha Asmi. Rame Chittalaya Sada. So this is Ramesh Saptami Vibhakti. Saptami. And Chittalaya Sada Bhavatu Me Bhorama. This is Sambodhana Pratama. Bhorama is Sambodhana Pratama. That's one more excellent same way. I'm first time I'm seeing this. Thanks for that. So Guru Rev. Guru Rev. Guru Rev. Actually, Guru Reva Gati. If you see this one, okay, take this one. Sorry, I think we are displacing.
No.
So if you see, Guru Reva Gadi Guru Meva Bhaje Guru Naiva Sahasmi Namo Gurave Na Guru Paramam Shishurasmi Guru Matirasti Guru Mama Pahi Guru. So if you see Guruhu Eva, there Guruhu Eva, Guruhu is Pratama Vibhakti. Gurum Eva, Gurum is Ditya Vibhakti, Kartu Padam, Karma Padam. Guruna Eva, this is Guruna, again Sandhi. Guruna Eva, Guruna is Titya Vibhakti. Guruna Eva, Saha. So see, Saha is coming. You see, immediately say that's Titya Vibhakti. Guruna Eva Saha, Asmi, Namo Gurave. Gurave Namaha is, Namo is again Sandhi happens. Gurave Namaha, Gurave is Tatuti. Na Guroho Param. There, Panchami, Guroho Param. No one is above Guru. Shishuhu Asmi. Aham Shishuhu Asmi. Whose child? Guroho. Guru is Sashti Vibhakti. Matihi Asti Gurau. That's Saptami. My mind is on the Guru. Gurau. Mama Pahi Guru. Please save me Guru. It's a Sambodhana Pratama. So it's all of them are used in one sloka. Like you say that Ramo Rajaman. Ramo Rajaman. Both. Okay, see clearly also.
Yeah, it is given very beautifully. Yeah.
Yeah. Astu. See, that's why I'm telling. Sanskrit is, if you just keep doing it, it's so interesting. So interesting. You will be totally pulled into that the beauty of the language. And I'm telling from experience, I never felt that I learned Sanskrit. Whenever I learning a new things, it always keeps, okay, I don't know. That's how it goes. Okay. So now just understand, okay, Upapad, that's something called Upapada Vibhakti. That's all. You don't worry about okay, these many things. No. You will now you know at least two Upapada Vibhakti, Saha and Namaha. Whenever you see Namaha, okay, Chaturthi. When you say Saha, you say Tritiya Vibhakti. Okay, so you will come to know other things when you come across. Astu. What's happening? So vibhakteha kati santi? Sapta vibhakteha santi. Pratama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti. So Sambodhana Anya Pratyaha na bhavati. So it is same as Pratama Vibhakti. So Sapta, this is 7. Sapta Vibhakti Pratyaha. So when you multiply 3 Vachanani, Ekavimshati Vibhakti Pratyaha Santi. So Pratyaya is nothing but we already see saw that one. There is a Pratipadigam, and then that Pratipadigam adds with Pratyaya. What we get? We get Namapadam. When Pratyaya adds with Dhatu, we get Kriyapadam. Correct? So Padam Dividani, so Padadvayam Asti. Namapadam is the combination of Pratipadigam and Pratyaya. Any Pratyaya is Supratyaya in this case. Dhatu is Kriyapadam is combination of Dhatu and Ting Pratyaya. Okay. So Padam is nothing but Prakritihi plus Pratyaya. When Prakriti and Pratyaya join together, Padam is formed. And Padam, there are 2 different Padams. One is Namapadam. How Namapadam is formed? The Prakriti is nothing but Pratipadigam and Pratyaya is Supratyaya. How Kriyapadam is formed? The Prakriti is nothing but Dhatu and then Pratyaya is Ting Pratyaya. Okay. So there are 21 Vibhakti Pratyaya Bhavanti. So 7 into 3, 21. Prati Pratipadikaya Ekavimshatiki Vibhakti Pratyaya Santi. So that is what is Pratipadikam. For example, Ramaya. If I ask you Ramaya Namaha, so Ramaya Shabdasya Pratipadikam Kim. If I ask you, what you will say?
Rama.
Rama. Very good. Rama. So Rama Shabdaha. So Rama is Akaranta pulling Shabdaha. Rama Shabdaha. If I ask you, Kriyaya Padasya Pratipadikam Kim. Kriya. Akaranta Srilinga Padam. If I ask Palasya Varnaha, Palasya Shabdasya Pratipadikam Kim? Phala. Very good. Akaranta Napusalingam. Phala Shabdaha. So Pratipadikam is the root or the raw, you can say raw material. When you add many things and it is all joined together, form a finished product. So Ramaya, Ramasya, Ramena, Ramam, all are finished products of Rama Shabda plus Pratyaya. So Rama Shabda adding with 1 Pratyaya, you get Ramaha. Rama Shabda adding with another Pratyaya, you get Ramau. Rama Shabda adding with another Pratyaya, you get Ramaha. Same way for Ramasya, Rama Shabda adding with another Pratyaya, it becomes Ramasya. So that's how the Pratipadigam plus Pratyaya, you get 1 Vibhakti. There are 3 Vachanam, there are 7 Vibhakti, so you get 21 Pratyaya, Vibhakti Pratyaya. So again, in English, Kartupadam is nominative case, Karmapadam is accusative case, Tritiya Vibhakti is instrumental, and Chaturthi is dative, Sampradhanam, Apadanam is ablative Panchami, genitive possessive is Shashti, Shashti is Sambandhaha, locative is Adhikaranam, is Samtabi. Okay, we'll quickly see Sambodhana Pratama Vibhakti. So also referred, we'll start with Sambodhana, it's very easy. So that's why also referred. Okay, kopi padti va? Srilata Bhagini bhavati padti va?
Sambodhana, also referred to as Sambodhana Prathama Vibhaktihi, subset of Prathama Vibhaktihi, not a separate Vibhaktihi. Used to address somebody, optionally can be preceded by bhoho, he, re, aho.
Aho. Yeah, these are all just some. See, this is boho ye and all very, what you say, very colloquial way of, or very friendly way of, addressing.
Mahoday, just so you know, Supriya Bhagini is also there.
Sorry?
Just so you know, Supriya Bhagini is also there.
Okay, she has joined. She's there, but she said no. She has some. Astu, padatu.
Sambodhana, ekavachane, Ramaha, Rama, Bho Rama, He Rama, Sita, Site, He Site, Saraswati, He Saraswati, Phalam, Phala, He Phala, Dvivachane, Bahuvachane cha. Same as Dvivachana and Bahuvachana forms of Prathama Vibhakti.
Yes. So, for example, Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha. So, there Ramaha in Ekavachane, it becomes Rama, not Ramaha, Rama. But Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam will be same. Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha. He Ramau, He Ramaha. That's what it says. Same as Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam. It's not changing. But Ekavachanam is changing. Ramaha changes to Rama. Sita changes to Site. So, for example, if I say Mahodaye, that is nothing but Mahodaya. When I call you, it becomes Mahodaya, becomes Mahodaye. When Mahodaya becomes Mahodaya. That's all. That Visarga will not be there. Same way. So, Saraswati, that becomes Saraswati. That's why when we chant the sloka, some people will say Saraswati Namastubhyam. No, Saraswati Namastubhyam. This is not Saraswati Namastubhyam because we are addressing, we are calling Saraswati Namastubhyam. Varade, Kamarupini. All these words are Sambodhana Prathama. Varada, see Varada, Sita, Site. Varada, Varade. The Varada is the God who is giving the boon or blessings. Boon. Actually, Varada is a boon, who giving the boon. So Varada is Akara on the Shilling. Sita becomes Site in Sambodhana. Same way, Varada becomes Varade. And Kamarupini, that is Ikaranta Sitting Padam. Saraswati becomes Saraswati. Same way, Kamarupini becomes Kamarupini. So, next time when you chant, you remember this. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. So, those three words are in Sambodhana Prathama. Okay, Abhyasaha. Ramaha Mam Uddhara. Srilata Bhagini Karatu.
Ramaha Mam Uddhara.
Sambodhana Prathama Prayogam Karaniyam.
He Rama Mam Uddhara.
Ramaha Ekavachane Rama.
Okay. So can I say He Rama Mama?
He Rama, Ramam Nasti. Rama.
Yeah.
He Rama, Bho Rama, all good. Even you say when you add or don't add, no problem. Even you say Rama, it's okay, also good. If you say He Rama, Bho Rama, also good.
Okay.
So Bho Rama, it says, so Ramaha becomes Rama, Mam Uddhara.
Mahodayah atra agacchatu. Mahodaya atra agacchatu.
Mahodaya atra agacchatu. Astu samyak. Okay, dhanyavadah. Dhruva Bhagini.
Janakah aham adya vidyalayam na gacchami. Janaka aham adya vidyalayam na gacchami.
So when you're talking to a father or mother, so you say Ajanaka. Not Janaka, Janaka. Aham adya vidyalayam na gacchami. Dhruva Bhagini, bhavatiyo karatu. Mahodaya.
Mahodaya grihakaryam asti va. Mahodaye गृहकार्यम् अस्ति वा?
महोदये गृहकार्यम् अस्ति वा? सम्यक् सम्यक्। सुप्रिया भगिनी पठति वा?
महोदय।
अम्बा भोजनं ददातु।
भोजनं ददातु। अम्बे भोजनं ददातु।
Ambe. But in this case, I don't know. This you can say Amba also. But Ambe, both are correct. Ambe bhojan dadatu, Amba bhojan dadatu. Putri.
Putri uttishtatu. Putraya.
Rasam. No, Rasam. Putri becomes Putri.
Putri. Putri. Uttishtatu.
Putri uttishtatu. Samyak samyak. Dhanyavadah. Aparna Beni. मित्रं स्वः
sorry मित्रं स्वः मम गृहम् आगच्छतु मित्र
श्वः मम गृहम् आगच्छतु अर्थः कः
tomorrow you come to my house friend
so we are
tomorrow you come to my house
my friend please come home tomorrow करोतु
फलं
so already it's there
बुभुक्षा फलं बुभुक्षा समेतु बुभुक्षा
शामयतु
फल बुभुक्षा सामयतु हेपल या बो you can have bow also no okay लता अत्र आगच्छ लते अत्र
आगच्छ सम्यक् देवी
मां रक्ष देवी मां रक्ष
देवी मां रक्ष उत्तम भगिनी धन्यवादः सुचिता भगिनी
पिता शृणोतु कृपया now pita is pullinga shabda so it cannot be he pitah okay he pitah shrunotu kripaya
that's okay because we learn all these things why because this pita shabdasya pratipadikam is pitru this pitru shabda so pitru shabdasya sambodhana prathama is pitah he pitah it's not like rama shabdam so it will be he pitah so he pitah okay Shrunotu kripaya. Please listen to me.
Hey pitah. Okay.
Vari pipasa shamayatu.
Vari pipasa shamayatu. Now this is rasva. So will that become dirgha?
This is no actually hey vari because this is again napumsakalingam. Vari means water. Napumsakalingam. So hey vari only. So vari is vari only.
Hey vari. Okay. He vari pipasa shamayatu. Nadi mama naukam tarayatu nade or he nade mama naukam tarayatu.
No, dirgham will become rasvam. Saraswati becomes Saraswati. So
he
nadi. He nadi.
He nadi. He nadi mama naukam tarayatu. Mata mahyam atram annam pariveshayatu.
Annam pariveshayatu. So mata is matru shabdam. Matru.
So he mate mahyam
matah pitah
matah matru he matah mahyam annam pariveshayatu.
Mahyam annam pariveshayatu. Samyak. So vibhaktayah trishu vachaneshu bhavati. Trishu bhavanti. All the three vachanas is there. Okay. So we'll just see one akaranta pullinga shabdah. Okay. So Suchita Bhayani bhavati padti va?
Akaranta pullinga Rama shabda.
Rama shabda. Rama is Kshamyatam. Rama shabda is the pratipadikam. And we have 21 forms, 21 pratyaya. So the Rama Shabda Pratipadikam plus Pratyaya, we get 21 different forms of Vibhakti. Okay. Pratama.
Okay.
So we'll read like that. Pratama, Ramah, Ramo, Ramah. Diti, Sambodhana, He Rama, He Ramo, He Rama. Like that.
Okay. So Dvitiya, Ramam, Ramo, Raman, Raman. Tritiya, Ramena, Ramena, Ramabhyam, Ramayah. Chaturthi, Ramaya, Ramabhyam, Ramebhyah. Panchami, Ramat, Ramabhyam, Ramebhyah. Shashthi, Ramasya, Ramayoh, Yoho, Ramayoho, Ramanam. Saptami, Rame, Saptami, Rame, Ramayoho, Rameshu.
Rameshu. So Ramah, Ramo, Ramaha, Ramam, Ramo, Ramana, Ramena, Ramabhya, Ramehi, Ramaya, Ramabhya, Ramebhyah, Ramat, Ramabhya, Ramebhyah, Ramasya, Ramayoh, Ramanam, Rame, Ramayoh, Rameshu, He Rama, He Ramo, He Rama. So Saptami, Sapta Vibhakti Hasanti and Sambodhana Pratama. So this is the format. So if you remember one Rama Shabda, then the same thing for Krishna. Krishna, 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 Krishnam, Krishna, Krishnane, Krishna, Krishna, Krishnehi, Krishna, Krishna, Krishnebhyah, Krishna, Krishna, Krishnebhyah, Krishna se Krishna yoga Krishnanam, Krishna, Krishna yoga Krishneshu. Hey Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. So that you have to just change the Shabda. So remember one, just by heart one. For every Pratipadikam, every word, you have just by heart one. That will be easy. So initially, again, I'm telling you, it looks like, okay, oh, this is too much, it's difficult. But when you read many things like stories and then you do the homework, all these things, you automatically, it will become easier. Okay. So Sita Shabda. So maybe it's Samayaha Atitaha. We will do next week. Okay. So we have Sita and then Nadi and Pala. And then we have, you want to do story? 5 minutes quickly. Okay. Samyak. Okay. Ka patitum ichati. Okay. Sridhar Bhagini. ठीक है. ओके. अस्तु अस्तु. प्रथम पृष्ठं भवती पठतु. द्वितीय पृष्ठं श्रीलता भगिनी पठतु. व्याघ्रः 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 इत्युक्ते किम्?
टाइगर.
टाइगर टाइगर. यू नो द स्टोरी. ओके. पठतु सुप्रिया भगिनी.
कश्चन गोपालकः. One cowherd. Some cowherd.
Some cowherd, correct.
ग्रामे धेनुपालनं करोति.
Grame Dhenupalam. See, I quickly tell you instead of asking you because of time. Grame Saptami Vibhakti. Saptami Vibhakti. Dhenupalanam Karma Padam. Dvitiya Vibhakti. Karoti. Karma. Kriya Padam. Ekada.
Ekada Saha Jamitaha Asit.
Jamitaha Asit.
What is Jamitaha?
I think Jamita, he was in a very fun mode or something. He was some kind of that mind.
Grama Jananam Parihasam Karomi iti Chintayati. Let's make fool of villagers.
Correct. So Grama Jananam Tatra Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Grama Jananam Parihasam. Parihasam is again Karma Padam. Karomi iti Chintayati. He thinks.
He thinks. Gopalakha Uchchai Chitkaram Karoti. Vyagraha Vyagraha iti. He shouts loudly and tells it's tiger, tiger.
Tiger, yes, yes.
Gopalakasya shabdam shrutva graminaha davantaha agachanti. Hearing the cowherd's voice, the villagers came running.
Came running, very good, yes.
Tada Gopalakaha Hasan vadati. Murkaha, Murkaha iti.
Murkaha, Murkaha.
Murkaha, Murkaha, Murkaha iti. Then the cowherd
why? Because
said,
he's addressing all the village people, Graminaha. So Murkaha. So they're idiots. Idiots is yeah. So Jamitaha is means he's got bored. So he's very bored, so he wants to make fun.
Anantaram kadachit Gopalakaha puna uchche chitkaram karoti. Vyagraha, vyagraha iti. Again he
After some
shouted.
time, yeah, after some
some
time, we already do the same thing.
Graminaha agachanti.
Graminaha, Graminaha.
Graminaha agachanti. The villages came again. Mahodaya, api again like just it came. The villages came. That's it.
No, Graminaha agachanti is lat lakare, bahuvachana. So it's a vartamana kala. So the village people come.
Not needed of api, like again they came again.
You can see, no, Gramina api is also. So punaha is again. So Graminaha punaha agachanti is again they come again.
Punaha,
so Graminaha api means village people also. That means,
again,
but they are already there.
Again it's punaha. Okay. Punaha Gopalakaha Hasan vadati Murkaha iti.
Murkaha iti. Samyak. Padatu.
केभ्यश्चित् दिनेभ्यः परम् अकस्मात् एकः व्याघ्रः साक्षात् आगच्छति.
After some days, param akasmat by accidentally, suddenly ekah vagraha rakshat it came actually.
Tiger came.
Yes.
Denunam upari akramanam karoti. It pounced upon the cows.
Please stay there. So now upari, we have seen upapada vibhakti upari. So which the upari is attached with which vibhakti? Srilata Bhayani.
Dvitiya Mahoday.
Na, upari.
No.
Upari is Tritiya.
Na.
Fifth.
Purataha, Prishtataha, Upari, Adaha. I said.
Continue.
Sixth.
Shashti.
Shashti.
You asked, right? What is Purataha, Prishtataha? Grihasya Purataha Margaha. I said Vrikshasya Adaha. Grihasya Upari. So Purataha, Upari is Shashti. Denunam. Denunam is Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Okay. So now you remember, okay, Upari, when Upari comes, Denunam is Shashti Vibhakti. And then Bahuvachanam or Ekavachanam, you'll know. Agre padatu Bhagini.
Gopalakaha uchai chitkaram karoti. Vyagraha shigram agachatu iti. Now the cowherd again loudly shouted, Tiger, come fast. Parantu kepi na agachatu.
Kepi na agachanti.
But no one came. Gopalakasya denavaha maranam prapnuvanti. The cowherd's cows died.
Correct. Gopalakasya tatra Ramasya Gopalakasya Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Denavaha Denuhu Denavaha Bahuvachanam. So Gopalakasya Denavaha Maranam Prapnuvanti. Even if there is a Gopalakas is not there, for example, we learned Karakam. Only the Shashti Vibhakti is not in Karakam. It's not in relation with the Kriya Padam. So Denavaha Maram Prapnanti makes a sentence, meaningful sentence. The cows have died. He attained death. Whose cow? That is different. It could be Gopalakasya, Ramasya, or Krishnasya, anyone's. Okay, so that's why Shashti Vibhakti is relationship with Anya Padam of the Vibhaktis, not with Kriya Padam. Okay, Nitihi padatu.
Nitihi sada kaditam satyameva rakshati.
Arthaha kaha.
The truth will protect you at all times.
Only the said truth or truth will protect all times. Katitam satyam eva rakshati. Only the said truth always, or the told truth only saves, protects us. Samyak. Dhanyavadah. Shamyatam samyahaditah. Suchita Bhayani va patati va Mangala Shlokam.
Om Sahana Bhavatu Mahoday.
Sarve bhavantu sukhinah.
Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve
santu niramayah. Sarve bhadrani
pashyantu. Ma kaschit dukha bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti.